queridos, o mejor dicho, queridísimos
dear,
amigos.
or rather very dear friends.
Algunos de los que me precedieron, ¿no?
Some of the speakers who preceded me,
o fue Bob, decía que algunos se preguntaban
I said that some of them were wondering,
por qué me recibían en esta
why was it that I
iglesia.
was being welcome in this church?
Y él contó interesantes anécdotas
And he told very interesting
de la vez que me
stories
habían llevado a la otra iglesia.
of the day they took me to the other church.
Por eso debo hablar también.
I should speak about that too tonight.
Pero es que no solo algunos de ustedes,
But it happens that not
algunos
only
se
some of you,
¿por
but
qué me recibían a mí?
I was also wondering why I was being welcomed like
Es que
this.
yo mismo,
It is that I myself,
cuando me estaba vistiendo
while I was getting dressed
para venir
to
acá,
come here tonight,
me quité de todos los trajes
I got rid of the business suit
y me puse esta ropa que es la que había
I
usado
got rid of my
durante
business suit and
tantos
then
años,
I went into this fatigues which I have been
hasta que
wearing
la
for so many years.
diplomacia internacional
I have
me
been wearing
obligó,
this till international diplomacy has forced
no
me
hace mucho,
not very long ago
a ponerme una guayabera.
to wear a guayabera.
Pero descubrí
But then I discovered
que yo no tenía una sola guayabera.
that I did not have only one guayabera.
Me prestaron
Then I
guayabera,
had to borrow one.
movilizaron no sé cuánta gente.
They mobilized I don't know how many
Hicieron
tailors in
guayabera.
order to have some guayaberas cut for me.
Por la noche,
That was in the
yo me
midnight.
tenía que ir al otro día.
I was supposed to leave on that trip
Me
the
la
next
probaron
day.
por la mañana
I tried it in the morning
y realmente estaba tan
and actually it did not fit.
Amplia.
It was so big.
que yo en broma
It was so big that as a joke,
le dije a los amigos,
I said to my
yo
friends,
dije,
look,
me referí a una persona
I mentioned a person
con la que he tenido contradicciones,
with whom I have had some contradictions,
pero que a la que pude conocer
but
también.
somebody I was able to meet later, and he's not a bad person.
Era presidente de un país
He was the president of a country,
latinoamericano.
of a Latin American country,
Y yo le dije, óigame,
and he was fat.
ustedes me han hecho la guayabera del gordo tal.
So I said to the tailor, you have tailored that guayabera for that man and not for me.
Corre, recorta.
It was broad like this,
Pero me tuve que poner la
but I
guayabera.
had to wear it nonetheless.
Después le cuento a un amigo, a una
After
familia
that, I said it to a friend,
que tenía
to a family
una hija
who
diseñadora.
happened to have a daughter who's a designer.
Holanda, Inglaterra.
In Holland, she had studied
Esa
in
familia
Europe.
tenía relaciones
That
con Cuba hace
family
mucho
had had
tiempo.
relations with Cuba for a long
Yo le había
time.
contado que descubrí que no tenía
I
ningún
told them that I
traje.
discovered that I did not have any civilian clothes.
Entonces me ofreció los
So they
servicios
offered me her
de la
services,
familia
that family,
para hacerme un traje.
and then she designed some suits for me.
Bueno, en realidad me hicieron como
Well, actually,
3 o 4.
she prepared about 3 or
Pero yo
4
de
suits for
trajes
me.
le aseguro que
But
no
I
sabía
assure you
nada,
that I did not know anything about suits.
ni la tela,
Nothing about the clothes
ni la camisa,
or the shirt
ni la corbata,
or the tie
ni los yugos.
or the
De
couplings,
repente ponerme
you know.
unos yugos,
I did not know anything.
unos zapatos de punta.
And the shoes, very
Ya
uncomfortable
los
shoes.
pies míos no estaban acostumbrados a eso.
You know, I was not used to that.
Tenía unas viejas botas,
I had my old boots,
media raídas ya,
somewhat old, and
no por pobreza,
not because I was
sino
poor,
por costumbre.
but
Ya
because
yo
I was in the habit of wearing my
le
old
tenía
boots.
tanto cariño a mis
They
botas
were
que no
so
me las
comfortable, you know, that I did not want to leave them for a new pair of shoes.
quería quitar. Y entonces, por fin terminé
Finally,
con
I ended up
guayabera,
dressed in a guayabera,
traje,
in a business suit,
corbata,
with a tie,
camisa,
with a shirt,
yugos,
with the cufflinks,
zapatos,
with shoes.
que no me los pongo porque
I'm not wearing them now.
Los pies ya no pudieran muchos años.
I don't like them much, you know.
Y por fin, bueno, y ahora soy un honorable caballero.
And now I am an honorable gentleman.
Participo en las reuniones cumbre. Y a cada rato hay una reunión cumbre. Bueno,
Once
ya.
in a while there are summit conferences and I have to dress up like an honorable gentleman in a business suit.
La reunión sobre desarrollo social.
There was another summit on social development.
Que si París.
And in Paris I had to pay a visit to that country, to France.
En todos los lugares me bajo con este.
In every place, you know, I leave the plane wearing my fatigues.
Las visitas
And then I change for those protocol visits.
Todo.
I wear my business suits.
Y entonces, bien, no sé si me he ido civilizando.
I don't know if it is because I'm becoming more civilized.
Pero tampoco quería dar la impresión de ayudar que yo fuera a aparecer como un señor militar allí o algo de eso. Que yo no estudié esa carrera.
You know, I did not study the career of looking like a gentleman in a business
A mí
suit.
no me quedó más remedio que
I only had to do it.
tener que luchar,
And I did not study to be a politician. I had
tener que aprender.
to learn the trade along the way.
Hicimos algunas guerras y lo interesante es que las ganamos.
And the interesting thing is that we waged a battle and we won.
La nuestra era muy difícil, pero no le voy a hacer esa historia.
It is very difficult, but I'm not going to tell you that old story.
Pero llegamos a ser muy poquitos.
But there was a time in which we were only a few.
A veces menos de 10.
Sometimes there was a time in which we were less
A
than
veces
10.
12.
Sometimes we were 12.
Pero nuestros adversarios eran como
But our
80.
adversaries,
Y al final en 25
though there were many, in 25 months,
nuestra revolución venció
our
al ejército.
revolution was victorious.
Y lo venció de manera total. Y en combate abierto.
We won in the open
Estamos
battles.
siendo guerrillas y después
We were in the guerrilla forces.
una combinación
And
de
then with the
guerra
combination
irregular,
of irregular war,
habíamos aprendido el oficio.
we learned the trade of guerrilla warfare.
Pero nos gustó aquella ropa y nos quedamos con
But we
ella.
liked those fatigues that we wore at that
Por cierto,
time.
me quedé siempre, me sentía muy cómodo.
And
no
as
tenía que andar
I
con la
felt so
moda.
comfortable in those fatigues, I kept wearing them all
Bueno,
these years.
Les contaba que
Well,
fui al hotel.
anyway, I was telling
No,
you
al
the
hotel
story.
No, ahora no estoy en hotel, no.
I went to the hotel, not to the hotel,
no,
excuse
en
me.
la misión de la embajada.
I went to the Cuban
Bien
mission
adaptado allí. A ponerme esta ropa.
to wear this fatigue, to go back into my fatigues because I had been wearing the business suit before.
Porque yo decía,
Because I said to myself,
si la otra vez fui con esta ropa,
if the last time I went to Harlem I was wearing my fatigues,
¿cómo me voy a aparecer en
how come I'm
Harlem
going to go to Harlem
vestido de
dressed in a
caballero?
business suit?
Pensaba en estas cosas, pero de repente se me ocurrió pensar lo
I was
mismo que
thinking about
contaba.
this, but after that I started thinking what I said before.
¿Qué hago yo en Harlem
What am I going to do in Harlem?
esta noche?
What am I going to do there tonight?
¿Qué hago?
What shall I do?
¿Qué digo?
What shall I say?
Porque yo, bueno, en las Naciones Unidas puedo decir
Because
algunas
I
cosas,
can say a few things at the United Nations,
pero aquí no tenemos inmunidad
but
parlamentaria.
here we don't have
nosotros.
immunity to go into certain subjects.
No puedo alcanzar la libertad. Tengo además, si allí soy cuidadoso,
There I have to be
pero
careful,
aquí también lo tengo que ser.
but here I have to be cautious
Nadie
too.
vaya a pensar
Nobody should
que
believe
yo me mezclo en los asuntos
that I'm
internos de Estados Unidos.
interfering in internal affairs of this country.
Y yo les juro que no me voy a mezclar en nada que no sea justo.
I swear that I'm not going to get mixed up in anything that is not public.
Pero algunas cosas abstractas, genéricas,
Only some
medio
abstract,
filosóficas
some
se
genetic
pueden
things,
decir.
some philosophy.
Pero, ¿qué digo?
I said, what shall I say to them?
¿De qué hablo?
What shall I speak about?
Entonces me recordé que sí, que
Then I
yo
remembered
tenía cosas que decir.
that yes, I had things to tell you.
Tenía cosas de qué hablar.
I had things to talk to you about
Sin violar ninguna ley.
without breaking any law,
Sin caer en una corte jurisdiccional.
without having to be taken to a court.
Aunque espero que en ese caso ustedes me vayan a
So I
visitar.
hope that in that case you will go to visit me.
Pero es que recortaba tanto aquellos días
I was really recalling those days.
y con tanta
You know, those days
gratitud.
were coming back to my memory.
Y yo decía, tengo que venir.
I remember with such appreciation those days in which I was here in this neighborhood.
Tengo que venir a saludar.
I
a
said to
mis
myself,
hermanos
I have to go there and say hello to those
en
people.
Harlem,
Because it was in
y
Harlem
junto con ellos a los hermanos
where I have to go and visit there, and together with them, the
latinoamericanos,
Latin
los hermanos
American,
de Puerto Rico,
the Puerto Rican brothers and sisters.
Y algunos hablaron.
And some have been spoken here.
Había eventos, había cosas. Ayer creo que había una
I think
comida.
that yesterday there was a dinner.
Pero creo que el alcalde dijo que yo
Yes,
era
but I
un
think
demonio.
the mayor said that I
que
was
un
a
demonio
demon,
no se le podía invitar a
and that
una
a demon
comida.
could not be invited to dinner.
Caramba, voy a pasar hambre el primer
I said I'll
día.
go hungry the first day on New York.
Después me dijeron que había un concierto,
After that, I was told that there would be a concert,
pero que invitaban a las Naciones
that the
Unidas.
United Nations was extending the invitations,
Pero la orquesta era de la alcaldía.
but the orchestra was under the mayor.
La alcaldía dijo, o el alcalde, no,
And the mayor seemed to have said,
de ninguna manera
No
aquella
way.
orquesta podía tocar una
the
estuviera el
orchestra cannot
demonio
play
aquel.
if the demon is in the hall.
Sí. Lo insólito.
It's really incredible.
Una familia amistosa,
It's outrageous because here there is a friendly family,
rica,
a
empresaria,
wealthy
un
family,
grupo de
and a group
empresarios
of businessmen
me invitaron.
invited me last night for dinner.
Invitaron al demonio.
They invited the demon.
Paradojas.
It's a paradoxical,
Y debemos alegrarnos,
and we should be happy
porque son muchos más
because there are many more,
los que comprenden.
the people who
Todas estas
understand
cosas del bloqueo son
that
cosas
the blockade
absurdas,
and all those things are
y
obsolete,
son cosas locas.
that those are crazy things.
Y muchos hombres de empresas
And many businessmen
se oponen hoy al
are
bloqueo
today opposed to the blockade,
y luchan contra el
and they
bloqueo.
are striving against the blockade in their own way.
Ahora bien, yo no estoy aquí
Now, I am not here
porque no me hayan invitado a una comida.
because they did not invite me to dinner tonight
Ayer,
or yesterday,
ni estoy aquí
nor am I here
porque no me hubieran
because I
invitado
had
a
not
una
been
comida
invited to
hoy.
dinner tonight.
No, hoy hay comida también.
Today, there is a dinner.
Y yo estoy excluido.
I have been excluded.
No por ser demonio.
Not
ya
because
no me
I am
han
a
tratado
demon.
tan mal como
I have
llamarme
not been so
demonio.
ill-treated tonight.
Pero bueno, no sé
I don't know
si perjudico
If it is because
cualquier actividad política.
I heard a political activity, if I am present, I don't know.
Pero si me hubieran invitado
But if I had been invited
a la alcaldía,
to the mayorship,
tenía que ir por elemental.
I would have had to attend out of mere courtesy.
Si me hubieran
If
invitado
I had been invited
a la filarmónica,
to the Philharmonic Orchestra,
hubiera tenido que ir
to the concert, I would have had to attend for reasons of elementary
y hasta incluso
courtesy
de elemental paciencia.
and even out of patience.
No porque me fuera a aburrir
Not
en
because
aquel
it was going to be
concierto.
boring for me, that concert.
Pero óigame, eso de estar rodeado
But
de
believe
jefes de
me,
Estado todo
being
el tiempo,
surrounded of heads
a
of
veces
state all the
resulta
time
insoportable.
is sometimes unbearable.
Pero sí les puedo asegurar
I
una
can assure
cosa,
you, though,
que yo habría asistido a
that
la
I would
comida
have attended
a la que me habían invitado
that dinner
amablemente
to which
los empresarios
I was invited by the businessmen.
y no habría faltado jamás al encuentro con ustedes.
But I would have never failed to come to this meeting with you.
Porque lo primero que hice
Because the first thing I did
cuando se habló del programa
when the program was brought up with
fue
me
plantear
was to
mi
say
deseo de
that I
reunirme, de
wanted
visitar el Teresa
to visit the Teresa Hotel
y reunirme
and that I wanted to have an
con
encounter
ustedes aquí.
with you here in Harlem.
Fue lo primero. Pero nadie podrá decir que yo inventé una reunión.
But
esta
nobody
noche,
will be able to say that I invented a meeting tonight just not to attend
Fueron otros
another
los que
meeting.
inventaron comida y cosas
Others have invented dinners and things,
y me excluyeron.
and they have left me out.
Y entonces yo tuve más tiempo.
I had more time then.
Tuve más tiempo, pude cumplir más
So I had more time free
rápidamente con
to be
mis
able
deseos.
to come and discharge my duty and my decision to come and see you tonight.
Pero aquella vez
But that day,
fueron días realmente para mí
I mean,
inolvidables.
those were unforgettable days for me, the days when I came to the Teresa Hotel many years ago.
Era tal la hostilidad por todas partes.
There was such hostility.
Había tanta campaña
There was such a campaign
que yo pasaba por una zona
against our country
y me hacían así.
that I passed by one area and they did like this.
Yo no sabía qué quería decir aquello.
I did not
pero
know
me
what they
imaginaba
meant
que
by
era
that, but I
algo
could imagine that it was
poco amistoso.
something was wrong.
Pero todo cambiaba cuando llegaba a Harlem.
But everything changed when I came to Harlem.
Todo el
In
mundo-
Harlem, you did this.
Hoy hay algunos cambios, excepto algunos compatriotas nuestros que
Today it
todavía
is
no se han
different,
acabado de
with the
convertir a
exception
la
of some
causa
fellow citizens of
de la
ours
soberanía
who have
nacional.
not yet become
algunos.
followers of the cause of sovereignty
Algunos
and
porque
independence. Only a
realmente
few.
van siendo menos.
Actually, they are less and less.
Gastaron dinero, gastaron de todo.
They spent money.
pagaron y buscaron no sé cuántos recursos.
And they found resources.
Me decía una periodista, ¿usted sabe qué?
A journalist was telling me this evening,
Hay 58 protestas.
do you know that there have been 57 protests against you?
Dígame, qué suerte
I
tengo
said,
yo que no he visto ninguna.
I'm a lucky man. I have not seen any.
Yo no sé de dónde sacó el dato. Yo,
I don't
pero
know where she
he
get the
visto
data,
miles de gente saludando
But I
a
said, I have
papá.
seen thousands of people saying hello.
Ahora hay gente que me saluda en muchos lugares.
I have seen many people waving hands at me.
Sí, realmente hay cambios.
I've seen changes in the
Tener
way
en cuenta
people
que en aquellos
look at
momentos
us.
se vivía la Guerra Fría.
Remember that in those days when I came here first, those were the days of the Cold War.
con la revolución recién nacida.
The revolution was practically a newborn.
Eso fue en el año 60.
That was in the year 1960.
Y entonces me hicieron la vida imposible.
And then
en
they
el
made
hotel.
life very difficult for me in that hotel where I was
Yo tenía
staying.
todavía un poco de mentalidad guerrillera.
I still had somewhat the mentality of guerrilla.
Me voy para el
So I
patio de
said,
las Naciones
I'm going to
Unidas,
set up a tent in the patio of the UN.
en una casa de campaña allí.
I'm going to set up my tent there.
Bueno, pues seguí pensando, si hubiera un contacto aquí con el Hotel Teresa.
And then it was said that we had the contact with the Teresa Hotel.
Hay una cosa mucha más estratégica.
I said, there is something more strategic than that.
Irme a parar allí en el Hotel Teresa.
I'm going to stay at Teresa
Porque
Hotel.
aquí yo sabía que iba a contar con el
I knew
corazón
that
de
here
esta
I would have
comunidad.
the heart of the neighbors of Harlem.
Era evidente. Era evidente la injusticia, era evidente la
Injustice
discriminación.
was obvious, discrimination was obvious to me.
Y como revolucionario,
And as a revolutionary,
sabía la recepción que tendría.
I knew that I would be welcome in this neighborhood.
Acuérdese de lo que dijo Lincoln, que se puede engañar
I remember what Lincoln said,
a la gente,
you can deceive
a toda la gente una parte del tiempo,
all the people part of the time,
a una parte todo
part
el
of the
tiempo,
people part of the time,
pero no se puede engañar a todo el mundo.
but not
todo el
all the people all the time.
No. Pero ustedes fueron la parte de la gente
But you were the part of the people
a quienes nunca pudieron
who were
engañar.
never deceived.
Aquí contó Rosamari las personalidades que vinieron a
Rosemary here said all the personalities that came to visit me at Teresa Hotel.
líderes internacionales
International leaders
que en muestra de solidaridad
who
vinieron.
in solidarity with me,
Vino Khrushchev,
even Khrushchev came.
sí, Khrushchev fue uno de los
Yes,
primeros que
Khrushchev
vino.
was one of the first leaders who came to
Era
visit
el
me,
jefe de una superpotencia.
and he was the leader of a superpower.
Le agradezco, le reconozco.
I
su
appreciated that gesture that he had.
Khrushchev era un hombre de origen campesino,
Khrushchev was a peasant.
astuto,
He was a very shrewd peasant,
simpático,
very funny guy,
y subió las escaleras y no desbarató aquella
and
cosa
he did
que
not
se llamaba
dismantle
Unión
his
Soviética.
country, by the way.
Subió por las escaleras, los ascensores del Teresa encantado, y después vinieron otros muchos líderes.
He became a leader, but after that, many of the leaders came to
Nehru.
visit. Nehru,
Una de las grandes figuras
one of the great leaders,
históricas, uno de los grandes
historical
políticos
leaders,
de la
one of the
época.
great politicians,
Y vino Nasser,
and Nasser,
vino Nkrumah,
and Nkrumah.
uno de los más prestigiosos. Que vinieron numerosos dirigentes
Many,
aquí al Teresa.
many great leaders came to visit me at the
Y
Teresa
realmente
Hotel.
aquella grosera maniobra de hostilidad.
They rejected that gross maneuver
le
of
rindió
hostility
dividendos a
against our
nadie.
country. It did not pay off for
En cambio, a mí me
anyone.
ofreció un recuerdo
Actually, it offered me
inolvidable,
an unforgettable
un
memory
motivo de gratitud
and a reason for feeling
eterna
eternal gratitude
hacia el pueblo norteamericano,
for the American people,
porque veía en
because
ustedes
I could see in
la
you
representación de las mejores
the best
virtudes, de las
representative
mejores
of the
cualidades del
virtues
pueblo
of the American people.
norteamericano. Se creó una historia. ¿Y saben cuánto tiempo hace de eso?
And you know how long ago that was?
35 años.
35 years ago.
Así que se cumple el 35
So this is
aniversario
the 35th anniversary
de mi visita.
of my visit, my first visit
Lo increíble
to this neighborhood. Now the incredible thing is
que todavía me expulsen.
that I'm still expelled
De las comidas,
I'm
de las
still being left
recepciones,
out of the
de todas esas
dinners and the
cosas,
receptions and the banquets,
como si no hubiera cambiado nada.
as
en
if
estos
nothing had
35 años.
changed all these years.
Como si todavía estuviéramos en la Guerra Fría.
As if we were still in the days of the Cold War.
Frío hacia acá adentro.
It's cold inside, but it's not a Cold War.
No, calor humano.
There is human warmth,
Temperatura fría. Parece que la iglesia no tiene mucho.
but the weather is somewhat cold.
Fondo
It
para
seems to be that
calefacción.
the church does not have funds for the heat.
Bueno, es increíble que se repita la historia
It's really incredible that history is repeating itself that way.
de esa forma. Ahora, yo tendría que hacerme otra pregunta.
Now, I would have to ask myself another question.
¿Por qué reciben ustedes a nuestra
Why is
delegación
it
con tanto respeto? Con
that you're
tanto-
receiving us here with such great respect?
Y eso tiene que tener una respuesta.
And there must be a reason for that.
Tiene que tener una respuesta. Que si otros no han cambiado, nosotros tampoco.
Because if others have not changed in their hostile positions, we have not changed either.
Y otros cambiarán
Others might change
porque no tienen la razón.
because they do not have the reason.
Y nosotros no cambiaremos.
They are not
jamás,
right, but we will never change
porque tenemos la
because
razón.
we are right.
Y la mejor prueba,
And the best evidence,
la mejor prueba
son
son ustedes.
is your presence here
Y el calor y el
and the
cariño con
warmth
que
and
nos
the
han
love
recibido
with which you have received me here tonight.
en el día de hoy. Y pienso que nuestro pueblo
And I think that our people
ha cumplido sus deberes
has discharged
morales,
its moral duties.
ha cumplido con sus
It has
principios,
discharged its, it has observed its ideals, its principles,
con la solidaridad.
and we have been in solidarity.
La compañera Rosamari hablaba
Comrade
que
Rosemary
fue ella.
here
sobre algunos de los esfuerzos
spoke
de
about some of the
solidaridad
efforts
internacional que ha hecho
of
Cuba.
international solidarity that Cuba has made.
Habló de médicos,
She spoke about our doctors.
más de 15.000 médicos cubanos
Over 15,000 Cuban
han
doctors
prestado servicios
have
internacionalistas en el
worked
tercer mundo.
as internationalist missionaries in other countries.
Millones y decenas de millones de
Millions
personas
and
han
tens
sido
of millions
atendidas por
of
nuestros
people
médicos.
have been taken care of by our doctors.
En África,
In Africa mainly,
en América Latina,
in Latin America also,
en partes.
and in other parts of the world.
Cientos de miles de
Hundreds
vidas
of thousands of lives
se han salvado
have been
por el
saved
esfuerzo de esos médicos.
by our doctors' work.
Miles y miles
Thousands and
de
thousands
profesores y maestros
of
han
Cuban
enseñado,
teachers and professors
técnicos en
have
todas
trained
las
technicians.
áreas, en todas las ramas.
Also, our technicians in many fields have gone to other countries to
Cuba
work.
que se quedó con 3.000 médicos
Cuba was left with only 3,000
de los
doctors
6.000 que tenía
out of the 6,000 it had in 1959.
y nos llevaron 3.000.
3,000 left.
Mejores salarios, mejores...
They were incited by best salaries here in the United States.
Sin embargo, hoy tenemos
However,
casi 60.000.
nowadays we have 60,000.
Y si un día los norteamericanos
And if one day
necesitaran
the
médicos,
Americans were to need doctors,
yo sé que tienen muchos,
I can tell you that we can give you.
muchos y muy buenos,
We have many.
pero si en algún
Good
lugar, en
doctors.
algún rincón,
We know
en
that you
algún
have
barrio,
them, but if
no
in
hay
any
un médico,
neighborhood you don't have a doctor,
nuestros médicos
our
vendrían
doctors
gustosos a
would
trabajar
come
también
to
en
work
Estados
here.
Unidos. Para citar otro caso de solidaridad,
Just to mention another case in which solidarity was present,
los nicaragüenses necesitaron médicos.
the Nicaraguans needed doctors.
Ustedes saben que en aquella época de otras partes no le mandaron médicos.
You know that at that time, doctors were not sent from other
Enviaron
parts of the world.
cañones, ametralladoras,
Others sent
helicópteros,
cannons,
bombardeadores,
machine guns,
bombarderos,
bombers,
y municiones de
and
todas clases.
ammunitions of all kinds.
Y mientras de otras partes enviaban
So while others
hombres
were sending,
que conducían a la tragedia, a la muerte,
people
2,000
to carry
maestros
tragedy and death,
cubanos,
2,000 Cuban teachers
en su mayoría
went
mujeres,
there, most of them women.
se fueron a enseñar a Nicaragua,
They went to Nicaragua to teach
pero no
the
a
Nicaraguans
Managua,
how to read and write.
no a las ciudades,
But they did not go to Managua, not to the
las
capital.
montañas.
They went to the mountains.
a las selvas,
They went to the places where there were no teachers.
a los lugares más apartados.
They went to the most remote places.
Y cuando pedimos voluntarios para
And
aquella
when we
misión,
asked for teachers to volunteer in Cuba to go to Nicaragua,
se ofrecieron 30,000.
30,000 volunteered.
30,000. Vea, hermano Bot, qué sentimiento de
Look, Brother Butts, what a sentiment of solidarity our people has.
se fue creando.
So that has been growing in our people.
Cuando algunos contrarrevolucionarios
And when some counter-revolutionaries, some gangs in
asesinaron a
Nicaragua,
algunos maestros,
some countries killed some Cuban teachers,
se ofrecieron 100,000.
100,000 Cuban teachers volunteered to take their places.
Esos fueron los valores morales que se fueron creando.
Those have been the moral values that we have
Con
been
los cambios en
creating
nuestro país.
with the changes in our country.
Y voy a citar otro ejemplo.
And I'm going to mention another example.
Cuando hubo un gran terremoto
When there was a
en
big
Perú,
earthquake in Peru,
que mató 100,000
which killed
personas,
100,000 people,
70,000
which killed
personas.
70,000 people,
Pedimos donaciones de sangre.
we asked for blood donations from our people.
Y en 10 días
And in 10 days,
se ofrecieron y se hicieron
we received from our people
100,000 donaciones. de
100,000
sangre.
blood donations to give them to Peru.
Cuando hubo un terremoto en Armenia,
When there was an earthquake in Armenia,
se ofrecieron y se hicieron 50,000 donaciones.
50,000 blood donations were given by
Cuando
our
hubo un
people for
terremoto
them.
en Irán,
When there
también
was
se
an
hicieron
earthquake
decenas de
in
miles
Iran and
de
thousands of
donaciones.
people died,
Y donde
we
quiera
also
que ha ocurrido
collected
alguna
thousands of
tragedia,
donations.
algún ciclón,
And wherever there has been a
algún
tragedy, a
terremoto,
hurricane, an earthquake,
nuestros técnicos,
our
nuestros
technicians,
médicos,
our doctors,
nuestro pueblo ha
our
estado
people have
en
made their
disposición
contribution
de ayudar
to help,
independientemente de ideologías,
regardless of ideologies,
independientemente de que tuvieran o no
regardless of whether
relaciones
those countries
diplomáticas con
had
nuestro
diplomatic
país.
relations with us or not.
En esa conciencia de que nuestro pueblo ese es el país bloqueado.
That is the country which is under a blockade.
Ese es el país al que se acusan
That
de
is the
violaciones
country
de
that
los
is being
derechos
accused of
humanos.
violations of human rights.
El país que ha elevado el promedio de
The
vida
country that
a
has
casi
raised
perspectiva de vida a casi 76.
life expectancy to almost 76.
Y que al reducir la mortalidad infantil
And that has reduced infant mortality
de
rate
60 por cada 1,000
from
nacidos
60 per
en el primer
1,000
año de
live
vida
birth
a menos de
to
10
less than 10.
ha salvado la vida. Ha salvado la vida cientos de
And in
miles
doing so, it has saved the lives of hundreds of thousands of children
de niños y que a cuántas personas les ha prolongado la vida.
And how many people are living a
Cuánto
longer life.
dolor
How much pain
ha superado.
has been relieved.
Cuánto dolor físico.
How much physical pain has been relieved.
Del mismo modo que eliminó en los
The
primeros
same
años
way
el analfabetismo.
illiteracy was eradicated in the first years of the
Y
revolution.
que tiene hoy el más alto per
And today we
cápita.
have the highest per capita,
El más alto per cápita.
the highest
De
number
profesores y maestros
of
de todos
teachers
los
and
países del
professors per
mundo.
capita, and that among all the countries of
Igual
the
que
world.
tiene el más alto per cápita de médicos.
The same way we have the
Igual
highest
que tiene el más
percentage of
alto
doctors per capita in
de
the
médicos.
world.
Ese es el país acusado.
That is the country which is being accused of
Un país que
violating
desde la
human
guerra
rights.
siguió una línea invariable.
A country that has pursued
Respetar
a
de manera
steady
absoluta
line
y total
of absolute
la integridad
and total
física de las
respect for the
personas.
physical integrity of its
Y el
citizens.
mejor testimonio fueron los 3.000 prisioneros
And the
que
best
hicimos en
evidence
Guión.
were the 3,000 prisoners we got in the Bay of Pigs.
No hay uno solo
Not only one of them
que haya dicho que fue allí
can
asesinado
say that he was ill-treated.
Alguien haya sido
Not one of them
asesinado.
was killed.
al calor de los
Not one of
combates,
them was murdered even after when they were captured after battle.
o a que alguien se le haya tocado un pelo.
Not one of them was hurt.
Volvieron como héroes.
They came back as
Y
heroes.
algunos incluso cambiaron.
And some even changed after that.
Pero nadie pudo decir que
But
salió
no one could
siquiera
ever
con
say
la culata de un fusil.
That they were hit by one
Ese
of
es
our
nuestro
soldiers.
honor, esa es
That is
nuestra
our
gloria,
honor. That is our
esa es
glory.
nuestra historia,
That is
no
our
importa
history.
las
No matter
calumnias
the
que se han
slanders.
levantado contra
That is the
nosotros.
truth.
He hablado que hemos donado nuestra sangre
I have said that we have given our blood donations
para salvar
to
vidas.
save lives in other
He hablado de
countries.
médicos, de maestros.
We have talked about teachers, about
Pero hemos
doctors,
hecho algo más que
but
eso.
we have done something more than that.
Hemos derramado la sangre
We have
de
shed our
nuestros
blood.
compatriotas
We have shed our
para
blood
para luchar
to
contra el
fight
colonialismo,
against
para
colonialism
defender la independencia
and to
de la
defend the
soberanía del
independence.
pueblo.
And makes us
Nuestro
feel
deber
that we have
con la
discharged
humanidad.
our duty to humanity.
Fueron los 15 años que
That is
luchamos
the 15 years
contra
that we fought
Sudáfrica,
against South
contra
Africa,
el racismo,
against
la
apartheid.
en Angola, los 15 años. años
15 years.
luchando
For 15 years we were there fighting apartheid,
hasta el final.
fighting racism till the very end.
¿Qué hacían con nosotros? Nos decían que nos bloqueaban.
What were they doing with us? They said that we had to be imposed a blockade.
Porque estábamos cumpliendo esa misión de ayuda allí,
And they were doing that, they said, because we were giving assistance to that country.
luchando contra los
Because we
sudafricanos.
were fighting the South African
Pero
racists.
esa es una historia muy interesante,
But that is a very interesting story, you
el
know.
cual un día deberá
Something that will one day
escribir.
have to be written.
uno de los más horribles
One of the most
sistemas de
awful
discriminación
systems of discrimination
era el que se
and
hacía
racism
allí
was the one that existed there
en aquel país.
in that country, in South Africa.
Decenas de años después del
Tens
fin
of
del fascismo,
years after the
y
end
el
of fascism and Nazism,
sin embargo,
that situation existed there.
hoy no se habla mucho
However, not much is talked today about that, you
de
know.
eso. Nosotros conocemos bien la historia.
We know that history very well. We know it very well.
A Sudáfrica no la bloqueaban.
South Africa was not blockaded.
No le impedían comprar alimentos y
South Africa
medicinas.
was not prevented from purchasing food and medicines.
Y al país que luchaba heroicamente,
And the country that was heroically fighting against the racists
no le vendían una
was not
medicina,
sold one medicine,
una aspirina,
one aspirin,
un citostático.
one cytostat
Ese era el
for a
castigo.
cancer patient. That was the
Hoy
punishment.
todo el mundo es feliz
Today everybody's happy
porque se acabó el apartheid.
because the apartheid is finished.
Hoy todo el mundo es feliz
Today everybody's happy
porque se produce la independencia de Namibia.
because the independence of Namibia was attained.
Dura fue la lucha
But there was a tough struggle
de namibianos
by Namibians,
Angolanos
Angolans,
y cubanos.
and Cubans. They had to fight
Para que ustedes
very
tengan una
hard.
idea. Para que ustedes tengan una idea, nuestras tropas
For you to have an idea,
estaban cerca de las
our
fronteras de
troops were
Sudáfrica,
close to the South African border.
un país poderoso,
A powerful
riquísimo.
country, a very wealthy country, South
Y
Africa.
nosotros a más de 10.000 kilómetros
And we
de
were over
distancia
10,000 kilometers away. I mean,
manteníamos
Cuba.
aquella lucha.
We were still keeping up that fight 10,000 kilometers away from our territory.
Claro, aquello no era fácil.
Of course,
La
that was not an easy task.
situación internacional. Cada vez que los angolanos iniciaban alguna
Every
ofensiva,
time the Angolans started an offensive,
intervenían los
the
surafricanos.
South Africans came over
Y
and fought
nosotros
them
le
back.
decíamos a los soviéticos
And we said to the Soviets,
que asesoraban allí en el
who were
Estado
the
Mayor,
advisors to
a
the
los
Angolan headquarters,
que esas ofensivas no se
that those
podían hacer.
offensives were wrong. They
Si
couldn't
no
do
se les
that.
prohibía a
If
los
they were not able to
surafricanos
prevent the South
intervenir.
Africans from attacking them, it was useless to conduct
había
those
manera.
offensives.
Eso no se entendía.
But they did not pay attention.
Hasta que en un
They did not
momento se
understand
crea una
that.
crisis
Till
muy
there was a
seria,
moment when a very serious crisis was
que estuvo a
created.
punto de perderse
A
totalmente.
moment when the war was
Independencia de
practically
Angola.
lost.
Y nosotros,
And
los
then
cubanos,
we, the Cubans,
tuvimos que resolver el problema.
we had to solve the problem.
Enviamos muchas de nuestras mejores
We
unidades,
sent many of our best
Pilotos,
divisions, pilots,
aviones,
planes,
y le decimos, le vamos a prohibir a los surafricanos
and we said to
intervenir.
them, we are going to prevent the South Africans.
Cuando llegó la situación había
from
una gran
acting.
crisis.
When we arrived there, there was a great
Y es cuando se
crisis.
desarrolla la batalla de Cuito.
It was when the
Cuanavale.
Cuito Cuanavale battle took place.
¿Sabe cuántos hombres envió Cuba a Angola en ese momento?
You know how many troops Cuba sent to Angola at that moment?
55.000 hombres.
55,000 troops.
55.000 hombres. Lo cual habría sido, y voluntarios todos.
And all of them on voluntary
Lo más
basis.
importante.
That's the most
voluntarios.
important thing of all.
En Cuito Cuanavale se estrellaron los racistas.
And in Cuito Cuanavale, the racists
Ellos
could not
libraron
win.
allá la batalla al este.
They wanted to have the battle to the east,
Lugar difícil.
in a difficult place.
Y allí le hicimos la trampa.
But there we lay a trap for them.
La trampa contra la
We
cual
lay a
se
trap
estrellaron.
against which they clashed.
Porque se convirtió en un símbolo. y
Because
quisieron
there,
tomar.
Cuito Cuanavale became a symbol.
Enviamos las fuerzas necesarias
We sent the necessary forces
para frenar,
to stop the South Africans' advancement
obligarlas a
and
estrellarse
to
allí.
force them to
Mientras le
defeat
movimos 40,000 soldados
while we
cubanos,
moved 40,000 Cuban troops
20,000 soldados
and
angolanos
20,000 Angolan troops
hacia el suroeste
to the southwest
para amenazar
to
por
threaten them on
en
the
esa
other
dirección
side,
al ejército
to
surafricano.
stop the South African army from trying
Creamos la
something different.
correlación de fuerza
So we were
necesaria,
able to create the necessary balance of power
sencillamente para alcanzar la
simply
victoria.
to stop them and to attain
La
victory.
aplicación de la resolución 435
So
y
the
al final
implementation of Resolution
el cese de la paz
435 and at the end
como
to put an end to
contribución
apartheid.
a la heroica lucha,
That
mil
was our
veces
contribution
heroica lucha
to the
del
heroic
pueblo
struggle of the
surafricano.
South African people.
De eso no se habla allí en Naciones Unidas.
You know, at the United Nations, they don't speak about that.
Escuché un gran número de discursos,
We have heard a great number of speeches.
se hablaba y se aplaudía la
People
independencia.
spoke about the
de Namibia.
independence. They applauded the independence of the African countries.
Parecía obra y
It
milagro.
would seem that that was the work and miracle of the United
Se
Nations.
hablaba del fin. Se hablaba del fin del
There
apartheid.
were talks about the end of apartheid,
Obra y milagro
like the work and miracle
maravillosa
of the United
de las
Nations.
Naciones Unidas. No se mencionó un solo cubano de los que murieron.
There was no mention about one Cuban
No se mencionó
of the many
ni
Cubans who
siquiera
died
el
there.
nombre de Cuba.
The name of Cuba was not even mentioned.
Vean cómo a veces
So look how sometimes
se pretende escribir la historia.
people intend to write history forgetting reality.
Pero ¿qué es lo más extraordinario?
But what is it the most extraordinary about this?
Es que Sudáfrica se había convertido,
It is that South Africa had become
en una potencia nuclear.
a nuclear power by then.
Y nosotros lo sabíamos.
And we knew it.
Incluso la dislocación de nuestras
We
tropas
even deployed our
sus
forces
avances.
in such a way
se realizaba tomando en cuenta que Sudáfrica
that we were taking into account that South Africa
tenía
had
armas nucleares.
nuclear warheads.
La cuestión era ver si se decidían a lanzarla o no.
The right of the matter was whether
Porque
they
en
would
definitiva,
decide to
¿contra
drop
quién
it or
iban a
not.
lanzar las armas?
Who
Contra
were they
nosotros.
going to use the weapon against?
Y después donde
Against
dentro de
us?
la propia
And where?
Sudáfrica
Inside South Africa?
no se podía sostener el apartheid, con
Apartheid could
armas
not
nucleares.
sustain even if they had the nuclear
Pero por ahí
weapon.
se acaba de publicar un libro que
But a book has just
empieza
been
a circular,
published
donde se habla de que Sudáfrica
where they
tenía
say that in
ya
South Africa,
decenas
at that
de armas
time, they had
nucleares,
tens of nuclear weapons at that time.
granadas nucleares.
They even had
municiones
nuclear
nucleares,
grenades.
una respetable fuerza nuclear.
They had a respectable amount of nuclear
que se ha descubierto
warheads.
ya en detalles en virtud de
It has been
investigaciones
described in
de un
detail in that
periodista
book,
norteamericano y un
in
periodista
research made by American journalists
surafricano.
and South African journalists, that
Alguien
was the situation at that
protestó.
time. Did anyone protest?
¿Acaso se ignoraba que Sudáfrica tenía armas nucleares?
Was perhaps ignored that South Africa had the nuclear weapons at that time?
Pero ¿por qué no se dijo una sola
Why
palabra?
was it that nobody said a word about that?
¿Por qué no hubo una denuncia?
Why was it that there was not a denunciation
Ah.
about South Africa having a nuclear weapon?
Porque allí estaban los cubanos
Why? Because the Cubans were fighting there.
luchando
The
contra
Cubans
los
were the ones
sudafricanos.
fighting the South Africans there,
Y al
the
parecer
South
algunas
African
personas
racists.
no le
And
importaba
apparently, some did not
si los
care
surafricanos lanzaban
whether the
unas
South
cuantas
Africans
bombas
used
nucleares
the
contra
nuclear
las
bombs
tropas cubanas.
against the Cuban and Angolan
Esa es la
troops
verdad,
there.
esa es una historia que
That
está
is the
por
historical
escribir,
truth. That history
en la
is
cual hay
still to
que
be
seguir
written.
investigando y profundizando,
More research should be made
porque
about that,
según la teoría de estos
because
escritores,
according to the theory of these journalists and
grupos
researchers,
fascistas y
fascist
racistas
groups and
surafricanos
racist groups in South Africa
han conservado
have been able
algunas
to
de
keep
esas
some of
bombas.
those weapons that they have, and they have them under their control right now.
Pero así se escribe la historia,
So that is history, you
así
see.
se manejan las relaciones
That is the way
internacionales.
international relations work.
determinadas personas,
That
determinados
is the way
países
certain people and certain
aliados
countries look at history.
pueden fabricar armas nucleares.
Certain
como
allies
nosotros
can
lo
manufacture as many nuclear weapons as they want.
decimos.
Nobody
Y es
cares.
cualquier otro país,
If any other country,
como fue el caso de Corea,
as
que
it was the
fabricó
case
una
of
bomba
Korea,
sin que todavía se supiera con qué.
people say that they wanted to manufacture a nuclear bomb. Nobody knows with which resources they
El
were
gran
going to do it.
escándalo.
Anyway,
Casi una
a
guerra.
great scandal was made.
Pero a la Sudáfrica de
But
la
South
apartheid
Africa,
y del racismo
The racist South Africa, the South Africa of apartheid could have as many
le permitieron alcanzar la
nuclear
tecnología
weapons as it
nuclear
wanted. It
y
was
de
allowed
poner-
to have access to the nuclear energy.
de todas las armas que
It was
consideró.
allowed to have as many nuclear weapons as it
Conveniente.
wanted.
Por eso, al hablar de la historia
That's
de estos
why
años de
when talking about the
revolución,
history of these years of
creo que
revolution,
una de las páginas
I
más
think that one of the
peligrosas,
most
más arriesgadas
dangerous
y
and
más
risky
difíciles
pages written by
fue la
the
que se
Cubans
escribió en esa
was
lucha
the
contra
one
el
written in
racismo.
that struggle against the racism
Contra
and
la
apartheid in South Africa.
Y fueron los namibios,
And the Namibians
fueron los angolanos,
and the Angolans
y fuera de esos dos países,
fought.
solo Cuba
And outside from those two countries, only Cuba
en el mundo
was involved.
derramó su sangre
Only
generosa
Cuba shed its generous
en
blood
esta causa.
against apartheid and against racism.
Hay países donde desaparecieron más de 20.000 personas. Desaparecidas.
There are countries where more than 20,000
Hay un
people are
país en
missing.
Centroamérica,
There is a country in Central
Guatemala,
America, Guatemala,
donde desaparecieron a más de 100.000
where
personas
over 100,000 people are missing.
desde la invasión mercenaria
And
contra
that
el
comes
reino.
from the days of the invasion
Y
against
no quiero mencionar otros muchos países
a
donde hubo
democratic government
miles
there. And I do not want to
de
mention other
desaparecidos
countries, but thousands
y
of
asesinados.
people have disappeared
Ese caso no se
in
dio
Latin America.
jamás en Cuba.
That has never happened in Cuba.
Uno de esos países fue bloqueado. Cuba sigue bloqueada.
None of those countries has been blockaded. However, Cuba is still under the blockade.
Esa es la realidad
And that is the reality.
histórica. Y nosotros estamos
That is
contra todos
historical
los bloqueos,
reality. And we are against every
porque en
blockade.
definitiva ese bloqueo va
Anyway,
contra hombres,
blockades goes against the people, against men, women, and children,
adolescentes,
against the
y
youth
jóvenes.
and the old.
Tiende a matarlo de hambre.
It kills those people. It makes
Porque
them
ningún
starve.
bloqueo ha sido tan duro
But no blockade
y
has
tan
been as
riguroso
tough
como el bloqueo contra
and as
este país.
rigorous as the blockade against Cuba.
Yo creo que no es justo
I
usar
think it is not fair
esas armas,
to use blockade as a weapon
tiene
against any
lógica.
country. It is not logical
porque son armas contra el pueblo.
because those are weapons against the
Que
people,
no-
against
que no
ordinary
tienen por
people.
qué. No tienen por qué usarse, se quieren prohibir las pruebas nucleares.
There is no reason. People want to have
Creemos que
a
deben
ban
desaparecer
on nuclear
todas las armas
tests.
nucleares.
Yes, we agree. All the nuclear weapons should be
Desde
removed.
luego. Pero ¿qué es un bloqueo?
But what is the
Como
blockade?
decíamos hoy,
As we were saying today at the United
no,
Nations,
como un arma atómica
if not like
silenciosa
a noiseless atom bomb,
que mata
which
a la
kills
gente, del
people,
pueblo, a los
which kills the
civiles,
people,
a los
which
no
kills the
combatientes.
children, which kills.
No tiene justificación.
There is no justification for a blockade.
Si me he extendido
If I have overextended
ni mucho
in my
menos con la
speech, it
idea
is not because
hablar aquí la
I had the idea.
No me he extendido porque quería
I have spoken this
meditar,
long because I wanted to meditate with you.
sobre algunas de estas cuestiones
I wanted to think with you about some of these
en las
matters
cuales justifico la idea
with which I justify the idea
de que hemos sabido ser fieles
that we have always been loyal,
a nuestros
faithful
principios
to our principles,
y que ustedes con su
and
gesto
that you, with your gesture
reconocen esa conducta de Cuba.
of receiving us here tonight, recognize our loyalty to our principles.
Aquí en Harlem,
Here in Harlem,
conocí a Malcolm X,
I met Malcolm X.
conocí a otras muchas personalidades. Eran días difíciles,
Those were difficult days.
siempre son difíciles
Well, we always are in difficult
los
days.
días, pero por delante estaba una lucha muy grande.
But we had ahead a very hard struggle.
La grande batalla de Martin Luther King
The great battles of Martin Luther
por
King
los derechos
were still to
civiles,
take place. His struggle for the civil
las
rights,
grandes luchas de
the
las
great
minorías
struggles
negras,
by the
hispánicas,
black,
latinoamericanas,
the
de todas
Hispanics, the
partes,
Latin Americans,
por mejorar sus condiciones
to
de
improve their
vida,
living conditions,
la lucha de los ancianos,
the struggle
de
by
los
the
enfermos.
elders, by the sick.
Sé perfectamente
I
bien
know very well
que muchas de esas conquistas
that many of those conquests
hoy están corriendo.
are in danger today.
Sé que hay algunas personas,
I know
que quisieran barrer,
that some people would like to sweep away all those conquests.
pero barrerlo completamente.
Some people would like to do away with
La
all those
protección de los
conquests,
ancianos,
to do away with every assistance to the sick, to the
liquidar las
elder.
acciones
They would like to do away
afirmativas,
with affirmative actions.
barrer
They would like
con todo
to sweep away
grandes logros
all the great achievements
que el pueblo más humilde
that
de
the
Estados
American
Unidos
people, the ordinary, humble people
ha
of
logrado
America have attained in all
en
these
estos
years.
años de lucha. Bueno, hago una breve referencia
Well,
a
I
eso nada
just
más,
make a brief reference to this,
y espero que nadie
and I hope
me impute por ello.
nobody
que
would
me
contest me for that.
Pero hacia Cuba, desde Estados Unidos, se transmiten alrededor de 1000 horas
About
semanales.
1,000 hours of
Son
broadcasting from the United States are aimed at
1000
Cuba
horas
every
semanales de
week.
radio
1,000 hours of radio broadcasting aimed against Cuba every week,
promoviendo la subversión,
promoting subversion,
los sabotajes a la
inciting to
economía,
sabotage against the economy,
atentados.
attempts against our leaders' lives.
Esta modesta persona que ustedes
This
ven aquí
modest person that you see here
tiene el privilegio,
has the privilege,
y yo creo que la iglesia debe
and
tener
I
algo
think that
con
the
eso,
church must have something to do with that,
de haber sobrepasado
of having survived
cientos de planes de
hundreds of
atentados.
attempts against my life.
Yo creo que las oraciones de ustedes o de muchos de ustedes están presentes.
I think that your prayers have been saving me.
Bueno, aquí. Algo tiene que haber,
There must be something,
puesto que bueno,
since
¿cómo habrá sido posible?
how could it be possible?
Y todavía esos planes
And those plans
se elaboran.
are still being hatched
No
today.
estoy culpando al gobierno,
I'm not blaming the U.S.
pero hay
administration,
grupos de extrema derecha,
but there are extreme
fascistas,
right-wing groups, extreme
que
racist
continúan
groups that
trabajando
continue to work
febrilmente para
feverishly
llevar a cabo
to carry
atentados
forward attempts
contra la economía de nuestro
against the
país
economy of our country
y
and to
asesinatos
murder
de dirigentes
the
de la
leaders of our
revolución.
country.
Se mantiene como ahora, nadie se
That's
imagina
still going on.
que eso haya cambiado,
That has not changed.
en realidad. Me emocionaba el recuerdo de
I was
hermano
moved
Foot,
By the
sobre-
memory when Mr. Bosworth was
la vez que
talking,
estuvimos en la iglesia
he was reminded us of the day when we went to the church in Havana.
allá en el Vedado. Yo recuerdo que aquel día yo me convertí como una especie de hermano también,
I remember that day I felt like a brother
porque
in that church
pronuncié una especie de sermón.
because I made not a speech but a kind of a sermon.
Creo que hasta
I
el
delivered a
estilo de
sermon.
sermón. Y él se recordaba además
And he was also reminding us
cuando preguntó
of all the data
sobre mis creencias.
when I was asked about my beliefs
Y lo que yo le había respondido
and what I had answered then.
con toda honestidad
I answered in all honesty
es que yo no tuve la suerte de
that
tener
I was not lucky enough
tan buenos
to
pastores.
have such good pastors.
Que en vez de decirme cree, me dijeran piensa.
Instead of telling me believe, they should have told me
Medita.
think, meditate.
Y llevaran a mi alma las
That way
convicciones.
they would have taken to my soul
Que
the
yo no tuve el
convictions
privilegio
that I did not have the privilege
De recibir.
of receiving.
Me convertí en sacerdote de
So I
causa
became a priest in a
que
different
pienso
cause.
que
A
no
cause
tenga
that I believe, though,
ninguna contradicción,
a cause that
ninguna
has no
con la
contradiction,
creencia religiosa.
a cause that has no
Y la idea
contradiction
de
with your
Dios.
religious belief and the
Martí
beliefs of
decía
God.
que Dios era la idea del bien, que velaba
God
el
was the idea
nacimiento
of
de
good,
cada ser humano.
of doing good to the human beings.
Y cuando él hablaba,
And while he was talking,
y yo pensaba en todos estos problemas
and I was
humanos,
thinking about all these human problems I
Todos
have
los
been discussing here
sufrimientos de la
tonight,
humanidad.
all the sufferings of humanity.
no quiero enumerar en
And I do not want to go
Sí.
through the long list of
lo que sufren
calamities.
4.500 millones de seres
where
humanos del tercer mundo,
4.5 billion human beings are suffering in the world,
los miles de millones de ignorantes,
what billions of
Hambrientos,
illiterate,
gente por debajo del
starving
nivel de la
people who are
pobreza,
living under the poverty
sin
line,
educación,
are going
sin
through
salud, sin
without
nada.
education, without medical
cuando
care.
veo tanto
When I see
sufrimiento,
so much suffering,
me recordaba al hablar el hermano Bot
I remember while Brother Butts was talking
una historia o una leyenda
of the story or the legend
de un indio cubano,
of a Cuban native aborigine.
el indio
Atuey was his name.
que con ese espíritu de conquistador con que llegaron
The Spaniards
los españoles
arrived in our countries with that spirit of
a la
conquerors.
América Latina,
They arrived with that spirit in Latin America.
con la cruz y con la espada.
They came with the cross and the sword.
Deben comprender que la cruz no se puede
You should understand that the
introducir a
cross
través de la
cannot
espada.
be introduced with a sword.
Pero el indio Atuey se sublevó contra
That
los
aborigine Atuey
conquistadores
uprised against the conquerors,
y lo condenaron a morir
and
en
he
la
was
hoguera.
sentenced to die in the fire.
Cuando estaba en la hoguera,
And while he was
le dijeron
there in the fire, he was told
que existía un cielo
that there was heaven
y que a él lo querían bautizar para que fuera.
and that he should be baptized to be able to go to heaven.
Entonces
And then he asked,
el indio preguntó si los españoles
if the
iban al
Spaniards
cielo.
go to that heaven, I do not want to go there.
Y él no dijo si creía o no creía, dice, bueno, entonces
He was not asked whether he believed or not.
yo no quiero
He
ir al
said,
cielo.
if they go to heaven, then I do not want to go there.
Del mismo modo en este mundo muchos
And nowadays, in this world,
que nos hablan del cielo.
there are many who speak to us about heaven.
En este mundo
In this world,
tan llenos de abusos
right here, in this world, so full of abuses,
y tan llenos de injusticia.
so full of injustices.
Y en ese sentido,
And in that sense,
yo podré decir
I could say
a ese cielo
that heaven
que ustedes practican en este mundo,
that you practice in this world,
nosotros
we do
no
not want
queremos
to go
ir.
there. We do not believe in that heaven.
Nosotros Nosotros queremos ir a un cielo de justicia
We want to go to a heaven where there is
y de
justice,
dignidad
where there
humana.
is human dignity.
Nosotros queremos ir a un
We want to
cielo
go to a heaven
de hermandad.
where there is brotherhood.
Y en ese cielo
And in that heaven,
creo.
I believe.
Y por ese cielo
And for
estoy
that
dispuesto a dar
heaven,
mi vida.
I'm willing to give up my life.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.